Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirbishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatharine Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. On this most sacred of holy days, Gaur Purnima, in the holy place of pilgrimage, Kolhapur, we are gathered together to welcome Sri Sri Radha Krishna into their temple. This temple grand opening is truly a historical event. My heart, my soul is very much with all of you to celebrate Srila Prabhupada's mercy as he is manifesting through all of your hearts, all of the devotees, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's presence in Kolhapur. The Lord Srinivas descended from Vaikuntha to be reunited with Lakshmi, who was performing tapasya where the Mahalakshmi temple is now in Kolhapur. And since that time, all of the great acharyas of all the sampradayas have come on pilgrimage to worship this holy place. It was over 500 years ago that Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Kolhapur on his South Indian pilgrimage. This historical event has been enshrined in our hearts through the words of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. His Holiness Jai Patak Swami Maharaj, in his inconceivably beautiful love for Srila Prabhupada, has been leading devotees in placing the footprints of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in many holy places throughout India, the places where Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had visited. Along with the temple grand opening, the installation of the deities will be also enshrining the footprints of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Kolhapur. I am remembering from several decades ago when I first started coming to be with all of you in Kolhapur. The simplicity, the enthusiasm, the sincerity of the devotees has always been something very extraordinary. And how over the years the community has developed. The spirit of bhakti and the spirit of preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya on behalf of Srila Prabhupada has become greater and greater. This brings profound satisfaction to my heart. And for this, I thank you. On this holy day, Sri Sri Radha Madhav have come to their temple in Kolhapur and are opening their hearts to receive your devotional service. Along with the opening of the temple comes a joy to celebrate every day of our lives. And in bhakti, how do we celebrate? Through our commitment, through our service, through our sacrifice for the pleasure of the Lord. Krishna comes in the form of the deity so that we could feed him, we could dress him, we could see him, we could speak to him, we could dance for him and chant for him. Krishna comes with Srimati Radharani to accept our devotional service. And as the deities receive our devotional service, Shri Radha Madhava simultaneously give themselves to all of us. The process of archana, or deity worship, is the process of loving reciprocation. It is the spiritual world manifesting within this world. And by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and our great acharyas, we are being given entrance into the Lord's pastimes in Sri Sri Radha Madhava's temple. How fortunate and how grateful we should be. Srila Prabhupada quotes from the scriptures and the acharyas that to see the deity in the temple is only really possible when Krishna reveals himself to us. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada would say, do not try to see Krishna, but try to serve Krishna in such a way that Krishna is pleased to see you. Mad Bhakta Puja Vyadika. Krishna is most pleased, the deity is most pleased when we worship on the altar in a spirit where we are offering all honor, respect, and loving service to the Lord's devotees. Sankirtan is the highest way of pleasing the Lord in this age of Kali. It is the special gift of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Kirtan is congregationally chanting the holy name, but in the spirit of loving service where devotees are giving honor, respect to each other. Srila Prabhupada would sometimes say that he has sacrificed buckets of blood to bring each and every devotee to this movement. How Srila Prabhupada loves the devotees of the Lord. That should define how we live and how we interact with one another. And then individually and together as a community, we could truly give great pleasure to Sri Sri Radha Madhava in their temple. And a commitment for the Deity Seva, for the Vaishnav Seva, and for the Seva of Harinam Sankirtan, book distribution. By pleasing Srila Prabhupada and the Vaishnavas, Krishna will be the most pleased to receive our service. I am humbly requesting all the devotees in Kolhapur, please commit yourselves very sincerely to making Sri Sri Radha Madhava very happy, through carefully practicing the 9 processes of bhakti. Let us form a community that will attract more and more people throughout Kolhapur and Maharashtra and India and the whole world to be attracted to the eternal love and mercy of Sri Sri Radha Madhava. In my spirit, I am so grateful to all of you. And in my gratitude, I am so very much with you today. And I'm very much looking forward very soon to be coming on a pilgrimage, to be in all of your association, to worship Sri Sri Radha Madhava. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for giving us Radha and Krishna, Gaurnitai, the holy names of the Lord, and thank you for giving us each other. Vanshakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya eva cha patitanam pavanibhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah.